now to a stock that went public today. It's smart glass company Gauzy, and it's lower, in fact, in its Nasdaq debut. It priced at the lower end of the range at $17 a share. Valuation around $250 million, nearly half of what the $500 million target was the company was aiming for. For more, let's talk to Gauzy's co-founder and CEO Eyal Peso. Eyal, did I say that right? Welcome. Thank you for joining us.
Hi, thanks. Yeah, you said it perfect.
Okay, thank you. Look, congratulations on the IPO regardless. There are so many, even this week we hear about the Texas Stock Exchange that might go public. Would do it all over again. You still think Nasdaq, is the best value proposition for an IPO these days?
For Gauzy it is. I mean, we're early on our growth path, but with our customers and the business that we need to do, our next step we need to be a public company for various reasons. We're serving OEMs in the aerospace industry and in the automotive industry. We're retrofitting complete cities like London with its public transportation, with no mirrors and with ADAS. And to take it to the next step, the flexibility we have the financial flexibility we have as a public company is really kicks in, and also the confidence that customers can give us as a public company rather as a small private company. Yeah.
Let's talk about some of the technology that you have. It's a smart glass and light company, if I'm saying that correctly. But basically, you can do stuff with glass to make it dim and brighten and all sorts. Am I kind of getting it correct?
100%. We're developing a material science company at its core. We're developing materials and technology that enable the control of light through transparent apertures such as glass. So, you need to control light through a facade of a building or through a window of a car instead of a sun visor on your windshield or a rooftop on your car or in a cabin shade of an airplane. Gauzy develops and manufactures technologies to enable the control of light, electronic control of light through glass. And the company serves today 4 distinct end markets with our technologies: the aerospace industry, automotive, architecture, and the commercial vehicle space, already in serial production. Yeah, so
I think it's interesting that you can not only, so I'd love to envision, and I'm sure it's expensive, but if you had a car that could kind of deploy fully your technology, I wouldn't, listen, driving home every day with the sun beaming in my face, I'm taking the mirror from the front to the side and all of this, and even the rear view mirror, you think you could include mirrored components to maybe eliminate that in the long run. It would be nice to see some kind of innovation on these fronts that we haven't seen in some time.
Yeah, I think you're exactly right. I mean, our technology can replace sun visors on your windshield completely, embedded in the windshield, and we can have only the area in the windshield which interferes with the driver's line of sight tinted, for better safety. I mean, that's why you have a sun visor, for better comfort, for better ambient control. Today, I think most EVs come with glass roofs. Because you're sitting on batteries, you're losing headspace, so they're putting these thin glass rooftop. And the one issue they have is the sun, and with a millimetric layer with our technologies, you can solve that. You can control fully the light through the glass electronically, and that goes for many different applications.
Sure.
Yeah.
You guys are also headquartered in Tel Aviv. I think you're the first Israeli company to IPO since October 7th, and I wonder if those events and the subsequent kind of global reaction has had any impact on your IPO.
Well, we really think it didn't. We're very proud to be headquartered in Tel Aviv, an Israeli company. We're a global company today. About 25% of our employees are in Tel Aviv, but we are incorporated in Germany and France and the U.S. We have not seen a real effect. Our best quarters ever was Q4 of 23, and even better in Q1 in 2024. We have not been impacted. Of course, we took some measures. 20% of our production is in Israel, so we had some unique production capabilities redundant in other of our sites, but we're really a global company, and we're happy to show the resilience as a company, as also as a country, and we're very proud to be here today and make this important mark in this in the U.S. exchange.
Yeah, no, it's a major milestone for any company.